right. Okay, so this is the blood typing lab, the directions for the blood typing lab, and Tim is going to demonstrate, show you the bits and pieces of it, and then demonstrate how to do it. He's kindly offering, literally offering up his blood in the service of science here.
Yep. All right, so in front of you, you'll have the directions here, a small piece of paper. You're gonna have a lancet, which we'll use to prick your finger to draw blood. This is a device which will ensure that the lancet is able to puncture your skin, alcohol wipe. This card here where you're actually going to do the reaction, and then different colored sticks here to mix the blood along with the antibody, or the
Antibody, it
antibody,
is, yeah.
All right, so
And you guys will notice you have 3 antibodies, an anti-A, an anti-B, which is for the ABO blood typing system, and an anti-RH for the RH system of blood typing.
So to begin, you're going to take your alcohol pad. And you're going to take that, and I recommend using it on your non-dominant hand, and I would I like to use my ring finger, just for whatever reason that finger does not tend to get in the way.
Okay, so ring finger, non-dominant hand.
But whatever is most comfortable for you, and you're gonna wipe this down, the alcohol pad. And you know, the order might be a little, you might actually want to prep this first, but that's fine, I'm fine with that. So you're gonna take this cap off. You're gonna take the lancet here. And you're gonna take off this plastic part to reveal the needle below. You're gonna insert that here, and you're gonna hear a click. Put that back on. And then if you notice here, you have different, you have various lines here, and that kind of indicates how long or how deeply the needle will go into your finger.
Okay.
I personally am going to use the third smallest one.
Third smallest setting.
Yeah, in order to do this. But since you're going to be the only one using this one particular lancet, you can start small and do it a couple times just in case, so that there's less perhaps pain, or so you feel most comfortable. But I'm just going to go with the third one. And these are typically used by diabetics to draw blood in order to test their blood glucose. So it's very reliable. Okay. So I'm going to use, kind of go to the outside of the finger.
Okay, because the skin's probably less thick there, right?
Exactly, and you also don't, just parts where you're going to be touching it less. So we're going to put that on there, and then squeeze this bit. All right. So I have a drop of blood here.
Let me see.
Here.
Yep.
So I'm actually going to wipe away that first one.
Okay. Why do you wipe? Oh, the first one has mostly plasma in it, doesn't it?
And then you can see blood welling up there. You're going to put a drop of blood here.
Can you show us the card, Tim? There we go. Yep.
Squeeze some more out.
So each of those circular areas is functioning like a test tube.
And I'm going to keep squeezing more out. I'll put a little more over here too.
And you can see the size of drop that you need. So you need enough blood to actually have like liquid blood on the in the 3 circular areas of the test kit. Otherwise, it'll be really hard to see what the real reaction is. If you have too little blood, you have to do it again. If it gets too much for you, you know, this is a lab activity. It's somewhat optional, of course, right?
So I'm just quickly going to put a drop of the anti-A here.
Which is blue.
Because I don't want the blood to dry up. So I just want to do that quickly.
So he's doing this quickly. So because dried blood will be crusty and will look like an agglutination reaction, and we don't want that. That'd be a false positive. So while the blood is liquid, Tim is adding the antibody solutions, which come with the kit. Drop, drop, drop.
This one is giving me some issues.
Is the end a little bit crusted over?
No matter. I can just grab the other one. Should pause that.
All right, we're gonna.
We can always pause and just read
Okay,
it.
I'll stop it and we'll get the other.